Guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to review this semi-human wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this hair is a natural color and then it's on offer. I'm selling this wig at $48. So guys, just know that it's on offer at the moment. Don't come months later and tell me you want the same wig at $48, because it's just an offer that I have at the moment. I'll let you know when the offer will end in the description box down below. So the wig is semi-human. You can flat iron, you can blow dry it, and then it's a T-part, it's a frontal, and then as you can see it's a T-part. So you can actually do anything on this hair. You can flat iron it, you can blow dry it, you can wash it, and it won't tangle. So I'm just going to show you how you can style it. Again guys, this hair is just on offers for some few weeks. I'll update you in the description box when the offer will end. So this is how it looks. You can glue it down, you can do the baby hair if you want to, and the wig is also secure even when you don't glue it down. So you can order this wig from my website. You can text me on WhatsApp. I'll leave the details in the description box down below. And then also, if you want a different length, like a shorter length, just let me know so that I can make the length that you want. If you want 16, if you want 10, just let me know, because also I know people who don't like longer bundles. So guys, what do you think about this wig? Do you love it? Do you love the length? Do you love the color? And by the way, it's semi-human, but it has human hair texture, and then also it has that natural color. So when you wear it, someone will just think it's a human hair, like 100% human hair. So that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you place your orders, guys. Place your orders. It's $48 at the moment. Please don't come later. I know I have some clients who they watch my videos for like 2020 or 2021 when I had offers, and then they want me to sell them the wigs at the same price when I was having offers or discounts. So just make sure when I have an offer or I have discounts, make sure you order it the same period that I am selling the wigs on offer. Don't come some few months later and you want the same wig at the discounted price. So yeah, that is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this wig. I hope you love everything guys that you see, the length, the color. So see you in my next video guys. Bye.